Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of JPFD. I'm AG.
I'm okay. So,
It's been a while,
yes.
for sure.
Yes. So, I've been studying for the exam.
Yeah, very busy with that, right?
Yeah, the exam is taken once in a year. So, I need to really focus on studying because I've been failing last 2 years.
Oh dear.
Yeah. So, it took me I don't know, at least like 3 months to prepare. And then last 2 months was really busy.
Yeah, you've been studying pretty hard, like every night after work, and just going to the cafe and staying on your desk and everything. Yeah, it's been busy.
Yeah.
But now it's over.
Yay!
Right? Yeah. Finally.
Yes, finally.
Yeah.
It took quite a while.
Just a bit. Yeah.
So today I had a really bad news.
Oh.
Yes.
What's that?
I gained 6 kilograms. Is it in 2 months?
In 2 months.
In 2 months.
Oh.
That was bad.
Oh no.
I mean, I thought I lost weight in the summer, and I was really happy about it because I kind of maybe you've seen my photos before, and I gained weight, I lost weight, I gained weight, I lost weight, so I changed a lot. You don't deny it.
I'm neither confirming nor denying anything.
Yeah. So and then in this summer, I lost a lot of weight, so I was really happy about it.
Oh.
And then wait, I lost weight, and then I finally fit, because after I started to play sports in high school, I started to gain weight, so I wanted to stop, but yeah, it ruined.
Yeah, well, I guess it's because you've not been really doing much exercise, just been all your free time been studying. So I mean, it would make sense that maybe you would.
Yeah. So today I wanted to talk about the kind of weight, and then gained weight kind of things, like Japanese.
Like weight words or body words or things like that.
Yeah.
Exercise, things like that. Okay, let's get into it.
Yeah, sure. So, do you know how you say weight in Japanese?
I don't at all.
Oh, you don't?
I can't even guess.
Okay.
I don't have to say weight.
Taiju.
Taiju.
Yes.
Taiju.
So, tai is body.
I know that. Yeah, I know body is like karada. Is that like body? Like is it like the noun? Body. And I know like the kanji is kind of used for tai and.
Yeah. And then different way of saying karada is tai. For example, like gymnastic, taiku toka.
Okay.
And then tai, body. And then ju is heavy.
Heavy. Oh, so heavy body kind of thing.
Maybe. I don't know why you said that, but...
Well, it's your weight, right? So it's the weight, heaviness of your body.
Yeah. Taiju.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
How would you say a measurement? Weight measurement? No?
It's the same thing. We say...
Scale?
You mean the thing you use to measure it? Scales, yeah. We use
scales.
Scales, yeah.
But is it a scales for kind of things, or a scale for body? Is it different?
It's the same thing. It's the same. I think scales. Stand on the scales. Yeah, it's a scale.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think in Japanese it's a little bit different.
Okay.
To say
if you're measuring a cup of flour or something, right? If you're cooking or something.
But I don't know how to say it, but I forgot. Anyway, okay. So if you measure the taiju, you say taiju-ke.
Taiju-ke. Taiju-ke.
K is the word for a measurement.
Okay.
Measure.
That's pretty easy.
Yeah, taiju-ke. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you a couple of verbs to explain what happened to me.
Okay, this should be interesting.
So, gained, increase the weight is fueru. So,
fueru?
Yeah, increase. The word is gain or increase is fueru.
Fueru. Okay, how would we use that in a sentence?
So,
fueru. Is it it's a verb, right?
For example, yep.
Is it increase weight, or is it just increase? Is it fueru? Is it to increase your weight, or is it just to increase in general?
Oh, to increase general.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if you have only like one phone, I said a phone, one phone, and then like you got a two phones, like phone 増える.
You got more phones.
Yes. So
okay.
same thing. Like increase can be used by
So
weight or other stuff.
So would you say 体重増える?
I wanna say like a 体重, my weight is gained or increased.
You gained weight.
So I gained weight.
Mm.
Yeah. 私の体重が増えた.
Okay, so it was the no I was missing.
体重が増えた.
体重が増えた. Okay. And that's like, I gained weight.
Yes.
Okay.
So I gained 6 kilogram. So how do you think you can say that?
Would you say 6キロ体重が増えた?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Nice.
Good.
Okay.
Good.
Nice.
Like be more casual. So you can also say 6キロ体重増えたとか.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
So vice versa, do you know how to say decrease? No, lose, right? English is lose.
Oh, I lost weight. Yeah, you lose weight. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't
Gain
say
weight, lose weight. I suppose your weight does increase and your weight does decrease, but you say I gained weight, I lost weight.
Yeah. Okay. So do you know the word decrease in Japanese?
I don't at all, no.
Okay. That's 減る.
減る. Interesting.
Lost means like 失う, but don't use that for the weight.
Okay.
In Japanese, so that's why like
lost means like that means like I literally lost, like I lost my keys.
Yes.
Okay.
We don't use that like expression in Japanese, so we need to use the expression of decrease.
Right.
Yeah. So now, do you know how to say your weight is like you lost your weight?
So it's like 体重が減る? Okay.
But to be precise, you can use past tense as well.
Oh.
Sorry, I didn't tell you.
Is it like 減った? 減った.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I lost 6 kilogram soon,
you say 6キロ体重が減った.
Yes. That's great.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I want to tell you guys like one more thing about like weight related words in Japanese. I think a lot of Japanese people are obsessed about it, which is diet.
Diet. Let me guess what it is. Is it diet?
Yes.
Oh, that was hard.
Oh. Yeah. I think it's same as diet, but like it's probably like used for like losing weight, keeping fit. I think we use that like losing weight rather than keeping fit.
Yeah. Well, in English, a diet is more about food and what you eat. It's all about losing weight, but you wouldn't say like I'm on a diet and then part of that diet is exercise, which I mean it is, but it isn't. But when people say I'm on a diet, it means they're watching what they eat. So they're only eating certain things or not eating certain things or eating a certain amount of things. So that's what. But diet in Japanese can mean the government. No, I'm kidding. It does as well, but it's no. So when they say diet, it means like exercise and losing weight.
Yes.
Eating less. And
I think losing weight is.
It just means more generally like losing weight. Okay, it's like a program to lose weight. Even if it's like exercise and food. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. Yeah, whereas in English it's mostly related to food.
Yeah, right. So I wanted to say you can start diet from tomorrow. So that's the word in Japanese. ダイエットは明日から.
ダイエットは明日から.
So I'll start diet from tomorrow.
Yay.
Okay, so let's wrap up.
Let's do a wrap up. It's been a quick one. We'll do a review.
Yes. Weight.
Weight is 体重.
Okay. Scale.
Scale is 体重計?
Yes. I gained weight.
Okay. How much?
6 kilo.
6 kilo. 6キロ体重が Wait. 増えた?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Right. What about I lost 6 kilo soon.
6キロ体重が減った.
Yeah, great. You mean doing great.
Got it.
So you wanna start? You wanna also like say the word that I told you about diet?
What's that word?
Diet starts from tomorrow.
Oh. ダイエットは明日から?
Yay!
Yay!
You did it. Yep. So that's it from today.
Thank you very much for watching another episode of JPFD. Please, it really, really helps out the channel if you leave a like if you liked it, or if you didn't like it, press that down vote. I prefer the up vote. Yep, please, if you like our content, please hit subscribe. Consider watching some more of our videos as well. I'm sure they'll be in the sidebar or maybe in the description below. And we look forward to seeing you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye.